I'm Leah.
I'm Michael.
And we're here from Tapeart. Today, we are at our friend Sylvie and Liam's house, and we are here to draw spider webs.
All right, Sylvie really likes spiders, and we want to help them take their spider webs to the next level.
Lots of great ideas about how to do that.
Oh no! Tangle web!
We totally got this.
Yeah, you really did. If we're going to make another spider web, do you know if there are any spider webs around that we can look at for inspiration?
I've seen some spider webs in the backyard.
In the backyard? All right, let's go take a look for it.
Okay. Hey, look, I found one.
All right, excellent. Good. This is a good example of the type of spider web we want to draw with the two of you.
Cool.
All right, before we go upstairs, what can we take away from this that we can bring with us upstairs so we make good spider webs?
Well, it seems to be like a bicycle spoke base, like extending outward from a middle that seems tightly packed.
All right, excellent.
And there's just a big spiral.
Oh, look at that. All right, so when we go upstairs, we'll use those two things to build the perfect spider web. So we'll start with the spokes.
Right.
Find a frame, spoke it out, and then the spiral. Are we going inside out or outside in?
Both.
When making a big spider web like this, you start with making your spokes. It will be easier to draw the spiral facing the sticky side of the spokes. That way, the sticky side of the spokes and the sticky side of the spiral face each other to make an adhesive sandwich. When making three-dimensional tape art, connecting adhesive to adhesive forms the strongest bond.
This is from the back of the web. So you saw us make it on the front side. Here's what the back looked like. Something to really note is that we used a lot of tape to secure those lines to make sure that they didn't come off while we were making this web.
Like a spider and flies, how's that sound?
Yeah.
All right. Flap, flap. Totally flapping. These are totally flies. Flap, flap.
Now we have this spider.
His name is Spider-Ham Lincoln.
Yeah,
Spider-Ham.
Lincoln.
Thanks to the lovely top hat we have here.
Nice.
Pretty solid.
All right, so we want to put Spider-Ham Lincoln on the web. Where are we putting it?
Off to the up in the corner, that's like a classic spider angle, but like looking into the center of the web. Yes. Yes.
All right.
I did put little bits of adhesive on the ends of every leg. But other than that, I just pushed his body into the adhesive on this tape here. And it seems to be enough to hold him.
Wow.
All right.
We are going to play flies in the web. So, basically, we each get our own flies, and then we have to throw them at the web and hope they stick. All right, it's going to be team me and Leah, Sylvia and Michael, and whichever team gets the most sticks wins.
Nice. All right, Michael, you're up. Michael and Sylvie win.
Here's the spider.
And he's gonna
Okay.
eat the fly.
Go down
And
with all
all
the
of
flies.
He must be really hungry. That's a lot of flies.
And they're off.
He's my pet.
If that's the best thing you can find with as a pet, then you probably need to go to a new pet store.
Aw, gee, Dad, that tape art sure looks fun. Wish we could do tape art at our house.
Well, we'll need to get a tape art activity kit at the link in the description below.
Yay! Don't forget, like and subscribe.